Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure MySQL 9.1 on Linux Mint operating systems. Okay, first open any web browser, then go to MySQL official website, that is mysql.com. Then click on downloads, then scroll down, then click on MySQL community downloads, then click on MySQL community server, then select the MySQL 9.1. It is the innovation version. Then select we don't have Linux Mint. So select the Ubuntu Linux and select Ubuntu 24.04 because Linux Mint 22 is of type Ubuntu Linux 24. See, once you selected, it has populated list of Debian packages. Instead of downloading each, then download this deb bundle package, that is tar file. Okay, so click on download, then click on no thanks, just start my download. See, download has been started and its size is 494 megabytes. Wait until download completes. In meantime, open terminal more/etc os-release. See, Ubuntu code name is of type Noble. Okay, so Noble is the Ubuntu 24.04. So that's why I have downloaded this file. Okay. See, download is completed. Go to terminal, cd downloads ls. See, here we have the tar file. Control L, ls. Now untar this file, tar-xf, then give the MySQL tar file name. Hit enter. ls. See, here we have extracted all Debian packages. So now we have to install these packages. But before installing, we have to install following packages. I will keep this command in the video description. Also install this package. Type and hit enter. It is done. ls. Now install MySQL sudo dpkg-i star.deb. Hit enter. If you find this video is helpful, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. Now we have to set the password for the root account. Hit enter. Confirm the same. Hit enter. We have successfully installed MySQL Server. Let us verify. Sudo systemctl status MySQL. See, MySQL Server is running and it is enabled. Quit to quit. Control L. Now connect to MySQL Server. MySQL-u. Username is root-p. Hit enter. Then provide the password that we have set. See, we have successfully connected to MySQL Server version 9.10. We can also verify the version by running the command select version, put semicolon. See, we have installed MySQL Server version 9.1.0. Now verify the list of the databases. Those comes with MySQL installation. Show databases. See, these are the list of the databases that comes with MySQL installation. Now create a database. Create database. Now verify again. See, new database is there. Now switch to this new database by using the keyword use, then provide the database name. Now verify the current database. See, we are in bank database. Now verify table, show tables. See, empty set. So we don't have any tables in this database. Let us create a table and insert some data into the table. Now verify again. See, customer table is created. Let us insert some data into this table. Now verify the data, select star from customer. See, we have inserted these 3 rows. See, if we give star means it retrieved all column values. But if you want to only particular column values, we have to give like select column name, then table name. See, we got the only that particular column values. Now we will see how to create a user in MySQL. Now verify list of users, show users. We don't have any command like this. So we can get the list of users by running the command select user from MySQL.user. This typo. See, these are the list of the users. Those comes with MySQL installation. So let us create a user. Create user. Again verify. See, new user James is there. Okay. Now exit from this MySQL. Now connect MySQL with the new user. See, we have successfully connected. Let us verify the current user. Select current underscore user. See, we have connected with James user. But try to switch to bank database. See, we are unable to connect to the database bank because this user doesn't have the access to this database. So we have to grant the privileges. Exit. Now we will see how to start and restart MySQL on Linux Mint operating systems. Sudo systemctl stop MySQL. Now verify the status. Sudo systemctl status MySQL. See, MySQL service is inactive or dead. Okay, so Q to quit. Also verify MySQL server status by trying to connect to MySQL. MySQL -u root -p. Then provide the password of MySQL root user. See, we are unable to connect because MySQL server is stopped. So let us start it again. Sudo systemctl start MySQL. Verify again. See, MySQL service is started. Now restart MySQL server. Sudo systemctl restart MySQL. Verify again. See, MySQL server is started. So we have successfully installed ls. So these files are not required anymore. So remove them. Give the rm star dot deb ls. We have one more file rm. Give the MySQL, give the tab, hit enter ls. So we have cleared the space. Until now we have connected MySQL server by using MySQL client. We can also connect MySQL by using MySQL Workbench and dbeaver. There is a link in the video description how to install dbeaver or MySQL Workbench and Linux Mint or Ubuntu operating system. You can go through it and you can install it. Okay. So in this video we have seen how to install and configure MySQL 9.1 on Linux Mint operating systems. For more MySQL tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.